We have been discussing the introduction to LangGraph in the earlier session, and we are good to continue now with prompt chaining, a couple of demos, and parallel execution, parallelization. These are the topics we shall discuss today. Prompt chaining. Prompt chaining is a technique where AI-generated outputs from one step are passed as inputs to another step, creating a structured multi-step execution process. It ensures logical consistency across different steps. It improves AI response quality by refining information gradually. And it enables modular workflow design, making AI tasks more manageable. Organizing prompts sequentially simplifies complex tasks into manageable stages, enhancing accuracy and coherence, like generating marketing copy and then translating it into another language, creating a document outline, verifying its quality, and then drafting the document based on approved outline. This prompt chaining, we have an example. Let's say you have a product description generation using prompt chaining. Give me a minute, please. Using prompt chaining. Here we have 3 steps. For example, a product manager wants an AI system to generate high quality product descriptions. So instead of writing everything at once, he may follow the workflow chains with multiple AI prompts. First step, AI extracts product features like weight, material, product description. Yes. Later, in the second step, AI generates a basic product description using extracted details. And at the third step, AI enhances the description for search engine optimization and marketing appeal. So different levels of prompting is happening here. And also, I shall discuss a demo using LangGraph prompt chaining for automated product description. I recommend all the participants to open the Visual Studio Code. So I'm sharing you. Let's open Visual Studio Code. Hope you might have created a workspace in the earlier session and successfully run this application. Can you please respond? Yes or no?
You're not sharing the VS Code. Yeah, we're still seeing your presentation.
I didn't get you. Yeah.
Yeah, we're
Just
still seeing your presentation, not the VS Code. Yeah, now we are seeing the VS Code. Thank you.
I request all the participants to create a workspace with lesson 2 as a folder so that I would like to demonstrate an example. For that, how many of you have the API key? If you don't have an API key, I would recommend you to please get the API key by visiting to the platform. I'll show you how to generate an API key. Yeah, Pawan sir has shared you. I'm logging on to the platform.openai.com. Today's demo is very important. In the upcoming sessions, if you want to perform other demos, you would have done this demo. So please, I request all the participants to get this demo done for today. Yeah, sure. This code. Yeah. Issue.
I think Mrityunjay, you should reboot your web browser once.
I think looks like it's a poor internet connection, but anyway, so you're already there. So you can log into OpenAI using your either your
Yes,
Google
I'm
account,
logging.
or you can use your own email to set up your account. It's pretty straightforward. Once you go to that link, you have
You
to
can use
add
your
the API key.
Google account and log in. Yeah. I'm done with the checking. Still slow.
Maybe if it is taking time to save some time, I can show how to create an API key. It's pretty straightforward. Let me share my screen. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm there, sir.
Yeah, so can you see my screen?
Sir, once you're done, please
Yes,
let
Paul,
me
we are
know.
able to see.
You are seeing the Open API, the billing page, right? So
Yes.
yeah, if you go here, you can see the dashboard. If you click on dashboard, this is what you see when you log in. So when you go here into the API keys, I hope you can see here, like I have created 2 keys here. Like you can give some name. Let's say if you want to create a new secret key, you can just click on it and then give some name. For example, key 3, okay? And just give some default project and then click on create secret key. And make sure, don't forget to copy this one, just copy it and put it in the notepad somewhere. So this is how you can create an API key using the platform.openai.com. Some of you might have already done that where you have attended the previous AI sessions. So some are new. So you can go through this link and then create the API key and copy it and put it in the notepad. So if you want to go to the dashboard, go to the billing section here, you go to your profile by clicking here, you can go to your profile. There is a link here, click on this and you go to the billing section. This is where you can add the balance here, right? So I added $5 from the previous year. I'm still using it. I hope it is clear for everybody. I'm pasting the link. Oh, I already pasted the link in the chat window. You can follow that. So you can log in with your Google account or you can create your own sign up ID. Is it clear for you guys? Or you want me to go through again?
So,
Any questions?
Here.
hi, this is Kishore. I'm trying to add money to the profile. When I go to my profile, I don't see where should I go in order to add the amount. All
Can
I
you see
see
my
is,
screen?
yeah,
Yeah, go to your profile icon on the top right corner
uh-huh.
and then click on your profile, okay? And then click on billing.
Yeah, I don't see your profile option over there. I see terms and policies, help, log out. That's it. And the email ID on the top.
Okay, are you sure you are going into this link platform.openapi.com?
Yeah, it's platform.openapi.com
Open,
-API
oh,
keys. Yep.
You need to have a developer account with the OpenAPI. Make sure that it's not a general user. It has to be a OpenAPI developer account. There you will be able to add it.
Okay,
So how
can
to
we?
get that?
Mhm.
not really, because this is not a developer account. This is my personal account, right? So
I think so. I just went and add credit balance, something like that I did. I was able to
Go
add.
to billing. Okay, I have an option at the bottom. Go to billing on the left side
exactly, go
panel.
to the
Okay,
billing. Yeah.
yep, yep. So thank you.
If anybody have any other questions, please ask now about generating the API key. It's very simple and straightforward process. All you need to do is log in and then click on API keys and then create new secret key. Just give some name and then make sure you copy the key into Notepad because that is the key we'll be using for our sessions. When you practice, you cannot use somebody else's key. So when you practice, you can use that. So Mrutyunjay, if you're good, you can take over my screen, please.
Okay, sir.
Perfect.
Okay, meanwhile, I was creating the folder structure for getting the demo done. Hope everybody created the API key. So see here, API keys, right? I'm creating an API key. Create secret key. I'm copying the key. And I would like to use this key here. I created a folder structure. You can see .streamlit. Inside .streamlit, I have taken a secrets.toml file in which I am pasting my key. So I'm done. Later, I'd like to complete the remaining code from import case model from OpenAI, import OpenAI. Then step 1 is indicating create OpenAI client. So client equal to OpenAI. Here API key is equal to secrets so that we will be able to import the key. Next step we are defining. Step 2. Define the structured schema using dynamic. For that, I'm taking a class, web search. Oh. Search query. Justification.
Can you once again show the contents of secrets.toml file?
Yeah. Yeah, .streamlit is a folder.
Okay.
You need to create a .streamlit folder.
Okay.
Inside which you need to take secrets.toml file.
Okay. So
in the file, you need
did you
to
add the
paste
variable in front of it?
I didn't get you.
Before adding the API key, did you add any variable, that open API key?
Yes. See.
Okay, yeah, that's what I'm missing. Oh, okay. Oh, just the API key, right? No need to add the variable, that open API.
No, we need to add a variable also.
Okay. Thank you.
Give me a minute. Only you need to paste the key. That's
Just
it.
the key, right? Okay, then. Thank you.
How did you create that secrets.toml?
Yeah, see. Do you want me to repeat the process?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you?
I'm deleting it.
Yes.
Okay. Simple. Right click, new folder. Give the folder name .streamlit. inside the folder, take a new file, give the file name as secrets.uml. Here we had a key. I pasted the key. I created a key, right? Just now. The same key I pasted here. And I'm saving. I would recommend you to go for auto save option here in Visual Studio. Are you comfortable till here?
Yeah, till that correct. Good, yeah.
Great. So next step, step 3 is about build Streamlit user interface. For that, st.title, I would like to say web search optimization with LLM. And soon after giving title, I would like to write something onto the UI, st.write, internet, version, privacy, and optimized. Web search, query.
In the web search prompt class, I think there is a typo with search query.
Web search prompt.
Yeah, the class, right? There is
Yeah,
a typo. Yeah, just no, line number 10.
So user input, user query is equal to st.input. I say here, enter your question. Next, step 5 is all about process input. If user underscore query response is equal to client dot chat dot completions dot create. And here is the model we are targeting. Model GPT 4o mini. And messages, role system content. You are an expert at optimizing web search queries. Then I'm setting some temperature. 2.3. I'll explain everything once. Let us complete the coding part.
There is an extra double quotes after the user query.
Yeah. I will disable this IntelliSense later so that we can complete the code very smoothly. Response equal to so finally formatted response equal to the search prompt. Yeah. Fine. We are done with the code. I'm giving you the code in the chat. So you might be getting Pydantic not found, OpenAI not found, right? I would recommend you to run this pip install Pydantic, and also after writing this command, you press enter. And also I gave you the command in the chat. Also pip install OpenAI. Even this command also you need to run. Did you run the code? How many of you have taken the code onto the Visual Studio? You know, Streamlit is a Python framework used for building web applications. Very good, very good. Let us get into the explanation. Here, Streamlit is a Python framework for developing web applications. And Pydantic is a helping us in defining the structured data models in which you have base model. Base model is used to validate and organize the output data. And OpenAI, we are importing so that you can get connected to the OpenAI model and optimize your search query. With the help of client is equal to OpenAI, API key equal to secrets of OpenAPI. With the help of secrets.toml, you are getting the OpenAPI key. Then we are creating a web search prompt by inheriting the base model from Pydantic. Then we have search query and justification. Search query is optimizing web search query. Justification is all about explanation or reasoning. It ensures a structured, predictable output with the help of base model. And st.title, you are writing giving a title for a web page, and here you are writing some text onto the web page. What are the query you are inputting, which is captured into the user query variable? Later, if there is a query, the user inputted query is given to the GPT-4o mini model, and I'm setting its role as a expert at optimizing web search queries. GPT model role I'm setting by giving the query. And the temperature I set to 0.3, which indicates the response from the GPT model. It will control the creativity. It will control the creativity of the GPT model. And what are the response you are getting? We are storing into the response content. Then trying to display the formatted response onto the screen. Hope you run these queries, pip install Pydantic and pip install OpenAI. Now, I want you to run the demo1.py with the help of Streamlit. How do we run? Streamlit run demo1.py. That's it. You'll get the output. Yeah. There is an error. What is that? OpenAPI key.
I think you need to define the variable.
Variable.
Yeah.
Yes. So give me a minute. I'll fix it.
So just for info, I'm not able to run these commands without prefixing Python-m. So when
is it?
yeah, so when I prefix with Python-m and then Streamlit, it's running. Without Python-m, it's not running. It's not recognizing. Just for info.
You might have to set your local environment. If you have set up your workspace, you should have the environment set up in that. If not, you can have VN virtual environment, and you can set up the necessary files that you want to run with that particular folder.
Okay, thank you for the info.
See, can you see there? Open API key is equal to double quotes. Let me rerun. Error parsing file. Key name found without value. The same variable I have taken.
If you look at the path that it is showing,
D is in S, the same path, right?
the path of the Streamlit secrets file, there is no backslash after lesson 2.
Hmm.
Sir, for me, local host colon 8050 opened.
Is it okay?
It opened. Local host opened.
Your voice is resounding.
Hmm. Key name found without value.
The local host reopened. On the URL, localhost colon
Yeah,
8050
actually,
opened.
yeah, 1 second.
Yeah.
Here. Yes. No, I'm done. Yes. Have you got this
Yeah.
page?
It opened, but it is open blank.
It is a blank, right?
Yeah.
Have you taken the same entire code?
Yes, the entire code as it is. You
So,
put on the chart.
yeah. Response content. Message. Here we have a mistake. Message dot content. Yeah. Yes, I'm sharing you the updated code.
Sure. Thank you.
We need to create a open API key variable, and open API key is equal to, I'll share you this.
Yes, I put it on the VS Code. Yeah, I'll add that open API.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So in the streamlit secrets.toml, you need to create a variable open API key is equal to so and so. Right? After that, you run the page with the help of streamlit run demo1.py. You'll be able to get this response. Still you're getting.
Yeah, still getting the same error.
It's not updated.
So in messages, there are two contents, right? Which content it will take for role system is we have content and also
User query is given, and to the system we are setting its role as a expert at optimizing web search queries.
So in the next line we have message.content, right? So okay, what is this message? Where is this message.content coming from? For the response content, we have a 31 line.
Maybe it should be messages.content because it's, I think you defined as messages, right?
31 line.
Yeah, 1 minute. .31 line.
Yeah, line number 31. Where is this message.content in the end coming from?
I think
It is coming from a response.
It should be updated to messages.content. I think you defined as messages, right? Not message. Which line number 31.
Plural form.
Yeah.
Messages.
Let me see. Yes. Okay, I am giving you the updated code. This will work. For example, I'm typing here iPhone 17. It is optimizing the search and giving you the product description. Can you see? We shall discuss in detail in the next session. Okay, what is happening? As of now, please make sure that you're creating the API key. You're setting up your environment ready by creating .streamlit folder in which you have secrets.toml, where you have open API key defined. Later, writing the code and visualizing the output. If you can do all this for today's session, we shall discuss in detail in the tomorrow session, where what is the importance of each and every line.
How do you run the code?
You need to run the code with the Streamlit. I'm giving you the command in the chat. Streamlit run demo1.py. What are the file you have taken?
Yeah.
You use the same file.
Later to
command out found exception. While running this streamline streamlit run demo 01.py, I'm getting some.
Okay. Vinod,
Yeah.
did you run the code?
Yeah, I may run the code, but I'm getting the error while running the streamlit
Have you
command.
taken this entire code?
Yeah, I
Did you
taken
put it
entire.
into the file? The updated code. Once again, I'm sharing you. You might be getting Streamlit error, right?
Yes.
So when you get a Streamlit error, I recommend you to run a pip install Streamlit.
Okay.
Okay. You run this command in the terminal.
Let me try.
Sir, I'm getting script execution error. Script
What is the
execution
error?
error.
No, have you taken the updated code?
Yes, sir. I will try again.
What is the error? Can you please tell me?
Script execution error.
Script execution error.
Yeah. It says it requires libraries.
What libraries it is asking?
It is asking import required libraries.
Yes, please.
I will paste it in the chat, sir.
Yeah. If you can give me the error, I'll give you the solution towards. How many of you got the output?
Is
Can you
anybody
please?
having rendering problems?
Yes.
I got the output.